Yan. May kalat ba doon? Usig natin konti. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Si Miho to ulit. And today's video, ano na naman nangyari sa atin? Kada gabi na lang ako nag-film. Okay, anyway, ngayong gabi, bigla akong naisip mag-film. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung, of course, nakita nyo sa title, kung ano siya. It's going to be one of the things I tried for the first time. And that is trying out collagen. Ang background ko lang sa collagen is simply it's a food supplement. It's meant to make you maganda daw, mukha kang artistahin and all that. And ako, hindi ako naniniwala. Parang iniisip ko lang, some people are just gifted and some people are just, you know, ganun na talaga sila. Maganda sila, fresh na sila agad. Until such time, I've met some friends na hindi sila madamot sa impormasyon and one of their secrets to glowing skin is actually taking collagen. And kahit alam ko, syempre sa totoo lang guys, hindi pa rin ako bibili kasi una sa lahat ang iniisip ko gastos. Una sa lahat iniisip ko baka hindi siya mag-work sa akin. Iniisip ko baka kailangan uminom muna ako ng marami bago ko ma-achieve yung estado ng kanyang aura. Alam mo yon? Tingin-tingin ako sa Lazada. Syempre, alam niyo man lola niyo, naghahanap lagi ng mabibili at marirecommend sa inyo, ganyan. Nasa cart ko na napakaraming uri ng collagen, mga sis. Then, one day, this brand actually messaged me and offered if I can try their product. Syempre, hindi naman ako basta-bastang tumatanggap ng produkto. But, tinitingnan ko yung feedback, nagsiscroll ako, and ang daming na-amaze in a short period of time daw. It promises to do this, ganito daw yung effect. And mas lalo kong nalaman yung information about collagen, how it works. So, ito nga guys, ang brand na tinutukoy ko is the SKJN collagen. So, ganyan ang kanyang itsura. And this is actually made in Japan. Ito kasing sinet ko before I even started taking the collagen. Hindi ko siya i-review hanggat walang taong makaka-notice kung may nagbago ba sa skin ko. Kahit may napapansin ako, ini-ignore ko because I wanted someone to tell me na may napansin sila rather than me telling them, ano, may napapansin ka ba sa skin ko? Ganun. I don't wanna appear that way. I wanna see if this one is doing its magic and boom, I get comments on some of my videos na glowing ko daw, ganyan-ganyan. And, even in person, like, ilang beses lang ako nakapag-meet ng friends, even of some persons here at the house, pinupuno yung balat ko. And I didn't wanna say what it was yet until I was sure. Kasi, alam ko, sa routine ko, yun lang naman ang nagbago. So, kaya nga guys, ayan, nandito na ako. Binibigay ko yung feedback sa inyo that taking collagen na actually works for your body. Ano nga ba? Marami siyang benefits nga, sinabi ko sa inyo. You can check out their profile, their account for more educational things about collagen. Pero yung kanyang main claims is, again, it has anti-aging, it's a natural skin brightening and glowing ingredient. Merong improvement ng flex? Ano ba yung flex? Baka freckles to. Wrinkles and sags. It reduces cellulite. It improves skin firmness. It fastens wound healing and eases joint pain. Better digestion and bowel movement. Good for hair, nails, and bones. Immune booster. It has vitamin C and E with moisturizing and antioxidant effects. Like, Google is there to support you. Their page is there to support you. There's a lot of things you can know about this. But one of the main things na masasabi ko talagang na-notice ko was when I wake up in the morning, my pores, especially on this part, they feel so tight and my skin feels glossy para kung naglunod ng napakaraming skincare products, ng serums on my face. Tapos feel ko yung pagising ko, parang ang sarap mag-selfie kasi ang fresh mo. Tapos parang meron kang pinky-pinky na hindi mo alam na nagaganap sa face. Yun na pala yung glow, mga sis. And na-notice ko talaga like my pores got closer to each other. Ano ba yun? Mas naging sarado yung pores ko. Well, I don't have perfect skin at all, pero isa yun sa mga factors. And I actually have a problem with my nails. Nawawalan ako ng ganang mag-nail polish and whatnot because my nails are folding. So, yung kuko ko, yung tubo niya, tutubo siya normal, pero they're very weak. It means like, tumutupi siya, tumitiklop siya, nagkakaroon ng top layer, natatanggal, and never ko siyang maayos. Unlike now, my nails are very, very strong. Pinapatubo ko na lang siya, guys, pero hindi na siya nagfo-fold. Another thing that I noticed about it is, yung hair ko, ang bilis-bilis niyang tumubo. Hindi ko naman sinabi na drastic na kung nagpagupit ka ng ganito, ay tutubo tumutubo na siyang ganyan. No, it's more on, parang mas kumapal yung grano niya, pero mas mabilis yung paghaba ng hair, and I was really amazed about that. And overall, like when I have a pimple, I prick it. Syempre may magkakaitim ako, ang bilis maghilom nung sugat, nung dark spots, and overall, I just feel good about myself. Yung glow na binibigay niya, I'm just really amazed. Hindi ako naniwala until merong magsabi sa akin na ang ganda daw ng balat ko, something is different with me, and never akong napupuna sa balat ko, guys, because again, I don't have perfect skin. Dun ko lang talaga sabi ko, ay talagang totoo to. So, how do I take this? 120 micro tablets to. So, ang instruction niya is there's actually 1,000 milligrams per micro tablet. Bubuksan ko siya. You have to take 6 micro tablets. So, ganyan po ang ayan, ganyan po ang, paano ba ipakita ito na hindi mahulog? Ayan po ang kanyang itsura. So, akala kong hirap lunukin ng 6 micro tablets ng sabay kasi hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. But, pag inom mo ng tubig, hindi mo naman siya mararamdaman. Ano pa ba? Paggising ko, I feel very well rested when I use this. Like, kahit puyat-puyat si lola nyo, I don't feel tired at all. Like, I have enough energy. Same goes with my bowel movement. Naging frequent siya. So, I really like that about it. 6 micro tablets a day. Diskarte mo na, sis, kung kailan mo siya iti-take. But as for me, pag malapit na akong matulog, that's when I take it. So, you can take 2 ng morning, 2 ng lunch, 2 ng dinner. So, yes, I recommend this. This is something you should try if you wanna invest in having good skin. Might as well start in taking these. Tapos, start from there. Like, no matter what your skin color is, collagen will definitely make you extra glowing, beautiful. One more thing, I don't feel like I wanna use lotion anymore because it does help with the elasticity of the skin. So, hindi ako nagkaka-dry patches sa katawan ko, which is so good. Pero, syempre, we can still use our lotions. Pero, this one made me less dependent on lotions dahil ayaw ko ng lotion. Ayan. So, big help talaga to. Yun lang naman yung review ko, guys. If you wanna try it out, again, I'll put the links below kung saan sila follow. This is an honest review. I wasn't paid to do this. Talagang pinatry lang nila. Hindi ako nagkamali na piliin to for my first time trying out collagen. Yun lang, guys, yung video na to. Salamat sa panonood. Huwag na huwag kakalimutan mag-like and also mag-subscribe. Hit nyo rin yung bell button para maging updated sa susunod kong videos. And looking forward to more adventures with you guys. See you again next time.